Of 12 wins, sabi kanina 14 sack.
Bahaba-haba yung balunan.
Can actually string it together. Right now. Body shot straight into the face again. And this time Tadura tries to tee off, pero ganda ng bawi dito ni Balunan. Oh, Balunan gets hit in the face. Ngayon, ito si Christian Balunan. Balunan napasandal sa ropes that time. He trying to avoid the punches. And Taduran.
And mas may dating na yung mga suntok na ngayon.
Trying to pin Balunan into the corner. And firing, but once again, the accuracy not 100%. Balunan tries to fight. Talagang dinadala niya sa corner itong si Christian Balunan. And now he's trying to tee off.
Kaharap na ngayon,
Walking though, itong si Pedro Taduran. Trying to turn the tables that time. Ito si Balunan. The way Rocky Marciano used to punch his opponent's arms. In this case, body shots naman ang binibigay. And Taduran wants to exchange at the ropes.
Kasi siya yung magalaw, umatras. Saka-sakali.
Tapos na po yung conditioning.
Yeah.
Headbutt, but Taduran does not care. Taduran is coming in.
Yes, doon mo makita yung pagiging veterano ni Pedro Taduran.
Bumubuhos na po si Taduran dito. This time natatama. Replay of that fourth round.
Headbutt yan. Pupunta tayo sa scorecards around this time, ano?
Pasok na.
Sa atin, lamang si Pedro Taduran. With the wicket.
Of course, siya na may hawak ng training ng mga PMI boys sa Bohol. Kaya na naman, nagkauntugan na naman. But now, Pedro Taduran, lumalaban na ngayon ito si pagbangga ng mga ulo na, no? Clashing of heads. Again, what you expect from Orthodox versus Southpaw. Talaga yun lang tinatarget ni Taduran. He's not even going for the jaw. He's just going for that spot above the right eyebrow.
Tumutukod na. Andun pa rin siya, no?
Nasasaktan lang. And down he goes!
Oy!
Where is the knockout punch na hinihintay niyang ibigay kanina pa?
I think, alam mo, itong si Christian Balunan, ano?